Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to our Senior Defense Undersecretary, Charlie Galvez. Please take your seat. His Excellency Miguel Utray Delgado, the Ambassador of Spain to the Philippines, the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Andy Centino, the Commanding General of the Air Force, Lieutenant General Stephen Pareño, the officers, men and women of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, my colleagues in government, our partners in the Airbus Defense and Space, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Since the enactment of Republic Act number 10349, or the revised AFP Modernization Program, we have seen the realization of various projects and the acquisition of more modern equipment to fortify our country's defense systems. Today, I am glad to be with you as we bear witness to the ceremonial turnover and blessing of the C-295 medium-lift aircraft and the demonstration of the flight capabilities of the FA-50PH. Let me convey my congratulations and the gratitude to the Philippine Air Force for its successful acquisition of 3 C-295 medium-lift aircraft since last year. This attests to the progress of our nation in upgrading our defense capabilities. Allow me, of course, to thank the government of Spain for assisting our Air Force in this acquisition and consequently bolstering the defense posture of our country. This is one of the many meaningful outcomes of the long-standing relationship between our two countries. Our country's archipelagic nature and geostrategic location is both a blessing and a challenge. As much as our maritime environment provides us with much-needed resources, it also requires us to constantly adapt to become more mobile and agile. To this end, our FA-50 fighter jets shall improve our maritime patrol capability, aid our Air Force in monitoring the developments within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, and provide close air support to our combat troops. The country is also challenged by various climate-related hazards, which can potentially paralyze government and business operations. In these moments, the AFP is called on to do more. Through the additional C-295 aircraft, the AFP will be able to provide more responsive support to government agencies, especially in emergency situations, and on humanitarian assistance and disaster response operations. While this equipment will boost the readiness of our Air Force to respond to any contingency, there is still a need to further improve our capabilities to effectively cover our territory. Equally important is to ensure the airworthiness of Air Force assets and the corresponding training of crew and personnel to guarantee the safety of all. Hence, it is this administration's will to remain steadfast in pursuing our modernization efforts. As we accept and bless this new C-295 medium airlift, may your passion to defend the country and to serve the Filipino people deepen as we strive to maintain the peace that we have fought so hard to achieve. And also with the demonstration of the flight capability of the FA-50, we can all look forward to the greater heights of the Philippines that the Philippines will reach in the years to come. Once again, congratulations, maraming salamat, at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, sir, for that very inspiring message. Please be seated. We shall now proceed to the presentation of memento. May we request our guests of honor to please stand for the presentation of memento to be presented by the Commanding General, Philippine Air Force. The miniature Airbus C-295 aircraft is presented to His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Philippines. The Philippine Air Force is grateful for having an all-weather certified aircraft platform capable of performing variety of flight missions. Given this 7th day of March at the Haribon Hangar, Clark Irby's Lumalakas City, Pampanga. Signed, Lieutenant General Stephen P. Pareño, PAF, Commanding General, Philippine Air Force.
Thank you, sirs. You may now be seated.
Wala daw nagawa, wala daw nangyayari. Marami ang umangal at mga nagsasabi wala daw pagbabago, wala daw nagbabago. Sino ang niloko nyo? Baka kayo naloko. Tignan nyo naman ating kapaligiran. Sino ba ang nagbalita ng walang kabuluhan? Maluwag na ang daanan, hindi na ganun ka-traffic. At sa LRT at MRT di na magpapanik. Di ka naaangal sa iyong mga daanan. Di na madumi, di na mabaho ang lansangan. Tapos sasabihin nyo na walang nagawa. Pagbabago dito sa Pinas, hindi yan himala. Kinilusan at inaksyonan ng ating Pangulo. Binigyan leksyon ng mga matitigas na ulo. Kaya kung sinong susunod sa kanyang yapak, gawing maayos ang lahat upang tuluyang umulan. Sino ba ang merong nagawa? Sino ang wala? Tignan mo ang pagbabago, lahat di yan himala. Totoo ang nakikita, tinupad niya ang pangako. Yung mga proyektong laki na ng pagbabago. Kaya pasasalamatan lagi mong banggitin. Kung walang katulad niya, walang gantong tatanawin. Ginawang maayos ang lahat para sa ating bayan, upang maging maayos sa ating bayang sinilangan. Iba-iba na talaga ang pagbabago, pero marami pa rin di naniniwalang tao. Hindi daw kumikilos, walang nagagawa. Sila yung mga tao, nangawalang nangawa. Tignan nyo naman kasi ang pagbabago ng Maynila. Ibang-iba na yung dating tambakan ng basura. Dinadagsana ng tao at pinupuntahan ang Manila Bay. Grabe na ang kapaligiran, malinaw na ang tubig na dating maitim. Maliwanag na ang dating daanang madilim. Nagtaasan, nagusali at naggagandahan sa pagbabago ng Pinas na di mo inasahan. Buti may mga vlogger na sa ating nagbabalita kung anong pagbabago't nagawa pinapakita. Hindi sila bias, sila'y maaasahan. Pinapakita ang ganda ng bayang sinilangan. Sino ba ang merong nagawa? Sino ang wala? Tignan mo ang pagbabago, lahat di yan himala. Totoo ang nakikita, tinupad niya ang pangako. Yung mga proyektong laki na ng pagbabago. Kaya pasasalamatan lagi mong banggitin. Kung walang katulad niya, walang gantong tatanawin. Ginawang maayos ang lahat para sa ating bayan, upang maging maayos sa ating bayang sinilangan. Sino ba ang merong nagawa? Sino ang wala? Tignan mo ang pagbabago, lahat di yan himala. Totoo ang nakikita, tinupad niya ang pangako. Yung mga proyektong laki na ng pagbabago. Kaya pasasalamatan lagi mong banggitin. Kung walang katulad niya, walang gantong tatanawin. Ginawang maayos ang lahat para sa ating bayan, upang maging maayos sa ating bayang sinilangan. Sino ba ang merong nagawa? Sino ang wala? Tignan mo ang pagbabago, lahat di yan himala. Totoo ang nakikita, tinupad niya ang pangako. Yung mga proyektong laki na ng pagbabago. Kaya pasasalamatan lagi mong banggitin. Kung walang katulad niya, walang gantong tatanawin. Ginawang maayos ang lahat para sa ating bayan, upang maging maayos sa ating bayang sinilangan.